In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora AI. It's powered by OpenAI. It's absolutely free for join. So this link is in the description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. First, I'm going to google.com, then search Sora AI. It's amazing. So you can create any video using this AI tool. It's absolutely free for join. So first of all, I need to click on this icon, Sora by OpenAI. You can see creating video from text. Sora is an AI model that can create a realistic and imaginative scenes. So still these tools are working for whole processing. We hope very soon this AI tool release for everybody. You can use this AI tool as soon as possible. So currently, scroll down. Sora is a diffusion model which generates a video starting off with a low to realistic noise. So we hope this is a fantastic tool. If you are use this tool, you are going to next level. Here is no doubt. So release, I'll create a video for you guys. Take care. See you again. Goodbye.